Hello Honeycrunchers, and welcome in today's episode of BornPrettyStore Unboxing. First thing that I will share to you guys is this matte gold and silver stud Decors. This is one of their newest nail wheel decorations. As you can see, it's a bit mixed up, but I will arrange that soon. Next is this adorable spring garden stamping plate. Next is this blue square and circular stamping plate organizer. And lastly, we have 3 pieces of their liner nail art brush. Which item would you like me to review first? Comment below. If you enjoyed today's unboxing, hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video to your awesome friends. And make sure to subscribe for more videos every week. That's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!